Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can make your GitHub profile attractive. So let's get started. The first step is to create a repository with the same name as your GitHub username. Go to GitHub, click on New, and name the repository exactly as your username. For example, mine would be Sudiger. Next, make sure to check the option Add a README file before creating the repository. Once you do that, your repository is ready, using README generators. Now, let's generate a customized README file. Head over to Google and search for GitHub profile com. You'll find plenty of tools. Choose any one you like. For this tutorial, let's use githubprofile.com. Enter all the details you want to showcase on your profile, such as bio, badges, or stats. Once done, click on Generate Profile. You'll then see a preview of what your profile will look like. When you're happy with it, click on Copy Code, customizing your README. Now go back to GitHub and open the repository you created earlier. Open the README file and click on Edit. Paste the copied code into the file and make any personal adjustments you'd like. After editing, commit the changes. Once saved, you can immediately see the updated README displayed on your GitHub profile. And that's it, you've successfully created a beautiful GitHub profile. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add your Unity project to GitHub. The first thing you need to do is go to GitHub. If you don't already have an account, sign up. Once you're logged in, head to your dashboard and create a new repository. Give it a name, add a description if you like, and choose whether it should be public or private. In the setup options, you'll see an option to add a .gitignore file. From the template list, select Unity so GitHub ignores unnecessary Unity files. Then create your repository. Next, download GitHub Desktop. Once installed, open it and choose Clone a repository from the internet. You'll see the repository you just created. Select it and click Clone. This step imports the repository to your PC so it's available locally. Now click Show in Explorer to open the repository folder on your computer. Open Unity and either create a new project or use an existing one. Locate your Unity project folder, then copy all its contents and paste them into the cloned repository folder. At this point, all your project files are inside the GitHub repository on your computer. Open GitHub Desktop again, and you'll see the changes detected. Write a commit message, for example, project start, and commit to the main branch. Finally, click Push Origin to upload everything to GitHub. Refresh your repository page online, and you'll see your Unity project successfully uploaded. And that's it. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can change your GitHub username. So let's get started. To change your GitHub username, first open github.com in your browser and log into your account. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Settings page, you'll see your current username along with your name at the top left. From the sidebar, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings. At the top of this page, you'll find the Change Username section. Click on the Change Username button. A pop-up will appear with details about what happens when you change your username. After reviewing this information, click I understand. Let's change my username. Now, type in your new desired username in the text box, and then click Change My Username. GitHub will process the update, and your new username will be active. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily change your GitHub username. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can copy a project from GitHub. So let's get started. Whether you just want to quickly use the files or you want your own editable version on GitHub, I've got you covered. The first method is the fastest and easiest. Open the GitHub repository of the project you want to copy. On the top right of the page, you'll see a green code button. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Download Zip. Once the zip file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and extract the file. Now you have the full project on your computer, ready to use. This method is perfect if you just want to look at the code, run the project, or use it for learning. But remember, this is just a copy. It won't stay linked to the original project if updates come later. The second method is called forking, and it's really useful if you want your own copy of the project on GitHub. On the GitHub project page, look at the top right corner and click the Fork button. GitHub will instantly create a duplicate of that repository in your own account. From there, you can make changes, customize it, or even use it to showcase your own version. This method is perfect if you want to contribute to the project or simply keep it as a base to build your own ideas. And that's it. Now you know 2 different ways to copy a project from GitHub: downloading as a zip for quick offline use, or forking it to create your own version online. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can download GitHub files. So let's get started. First, go to the repository that you want to download. On the top right corner, you'll see a green code button. Click on it and then select Download Zip. This will download the entire project as a zip file. Just extract it and you're ready to use it. If you only need one file, open that file in GitHub. On the top right of the file view, you'll see a raw button. Click on it, then right-click and choose Save As. That way, you can download a single file easily. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add your GitHub link to your LinkedIn profile. It's a simple process, so just follow along. First, open GitHub and go to your profile. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Profile. Once you're on your profile page, copy the link from your browser's address bar. Next, head over to LinkedIn and log in. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select View Profile. On your profile page, click the pencil icon to edit your details. Scroll down to the website section, paste your GitHub link, and click Save. That's it. Your GitHub link will now be visible on your LinkedIn profile. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can get GitHub page in Google Search Console. So let's get started. Step 1. Publish your GitHub Pages site. First, make sure your website is live using GitHub Pages. For example, it should look something like this. Now open the link in your browser and confirm your site is working. And then open Google Search Console. Next, go to search.google.com/search-console and sign in with your Google account. After that, let's add into our website. Click on Add Property and enter your GitHub Pages URL. Select the URL prefix option, since GitHub Pages doesn't give you full domain access. Then click Continue. Next, verify ownership. Now, Google will ask you to verify ownership. Choose the HTML tag method. Copy the meta tag provided by Google, then open your GitHub Pages repository. In your index.html file, paste this tag inside the head section. Commit and push the changes to GitHub. After that, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. And then wait for indexing. That's it. Your site is now added. It may take a few days or weeks for Google to crawl and index your GitHub Pages site, so be patient. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can transfer a GitHub project. So let's get started. First, log into GitHub and open the repository you want to transfer. Once inside, go to the Settings tab in the top right corner. Make sure you're on the General Settings page, then scroll all the way down until you see the Transfer Ownership option. Click Transfer, and you'll be asked to specify either a GitHub username or an organization. Enter the username or organization of the new owner. After entering the username, GitHub will also ask you to type the repository name to confirm. Just type it exactly as shown. Once you've confirmed, click I understand, transfer this repository. This will send a request to the new owner's email. They'll receive an email with a confirmation link that expires in 24 hours. The recipient simply clicks the link to accept the transfer. After that, the repository will appear under the new owner's account. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add your GitHub profile link to your resume. So let's get started. First, open your GitHub account by clicking on your profile in the top right corner. From there, copy the URL. It will look like github.com and your username. When someone visits this link, they'll be able to see your profile picture, name, popular repositories, projects, and anything else you've made public. Next, open the tool or platform you're using to create your resume. For example, I'm using Canva. Most resumes have a contact section, and within that section, there's usually space to add a website or link. Paste your GitHub profile link there. Now, whenever someone views your resume, they can easily click through to your GitHub profile and see your work. And that's how you can quickly add your GitHub profile link to your resume. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can link your GitLab to GitHub account. So let's get started. First of all, log into your GitLab account. Now click on New Project and then select Import Project. From here, choose GitHub. You will be asked to connect GitLab with your GitHub account. Just click Authorize and allow the access. Next, select the repository you want to import from GitHub. GitLab will now create a new project from that repository automatically. Once your repo is imported, go to Settings, then Repository, and open Mirroring Repositories. Here, paste your GitHub repository link. After that, choose Pull if you want GitLab to always fetch updates from GitHub. And that's it. Now your GitHub and GitLab are successfully linked, and your projects will stay in sync. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.